Good morning. How are you all? Good? Okay. Stay home, stay safe and be healthy. Okay children? And eat healthy food. Always I am telling this. Okay? Because nowadays we have to increase our immunity powers. Okay? So eat healthy food. Eat fruits. Eat meats. Okay? Be healthy. Okay children? So in this class we are going to, we already completed the lesson, right? What is that lesson? Yes, My Tweet with Santa. Do you remember that poem? Do you? Little bit louder. Yes? Okay. So in this class we have to, what we have to do means we have to practice. Okay, what all we have learned, just we will revise it by doing practice. Okay, so make sure that you are ready with your practice book and pen or pencil, whatever you have. Okay children, so did you completed your breakfast? Don't keep your stomach empty. Okay, while you kept your stomach empty, your brain won't works. Okay, so eat completely and be okay. So chalo, shall we start the lesson? Right? Okay. Yes, lesson. The lesson name is My Tweet with Santa. Okay. So the poet wrote sent the tweet to whom? To Santa. Okay. I hope this lesson, you remember this lesson very well. Okay. In this lesson mostly we will see the Facebook and Twitter, blog and YouTube, right? And so many. Okay children. So let's start the worksheet. Come on, see the first one. Take the correct options. Okay, we have to tick the correct options. The poet is talking about light post, wally post, Facebook post. What is the correct option? Yes, the poet is talking about Facebook post. So just write the tick like this. Okay. The poet asks whether the internet is available. Where the poet is asking that internet is available or not? In this USA or North Pole? Under the ocean. Yes, we see that on the North Pole. Okay. If you read the lesson, you will do this worksheet. Okay children. So first by heart the poem. Okay. And see, the poet sent his tweet to whom the poet sent his tweet? To his friend Santa, his father. What is the correct option? Yes, to his friend. So tick the option. Okay, and see here. Complete the following analogies with related words. So what we have to do? We have to write the related words. See the first one, car. Where the car goes? On the road, right? So this is the related one, car, road. And sun, when sun comes? On night or day? Yes, it comes on day, right? So sun, day. Sun, day. Fish, where fish lives? In water, right? So fish, water. Fish, water. And brother is boy or girl? Yes, you have to write the genders. Okay. So brother, boy. Brother, boy. See, boat, where the boat lives? Boat goes? Yes, boat goes on water, right? So you have to write here water, water. Okay children. And moon comes in night. Okay, sun comes on day, moon comes in night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay, fish, water. And bird lives in? Yes, air. A-I-R, air. Okay, and see here. Brother, boy. Brother, boy. And sister, yes, sister is girl. G-I GIRL, girl. So, okay, sister, girl. Now, see here, grammar game. Punctuate the sentence using capital letters and full stops. So, you have to write the sentence using capital letters and full stops. Okay, already I have said you that while we are making sentence, the sentence always start with capital letter and ends with, yes, punctuation marks. Okay, so see the sentence. Here, he is a boy, good boy. Okay, so here see this is a sentence, but they did not write here. Yes, they did not started with capital letter and ends in punctuation marks. So what we have to do? He, is, a, good, boy, boy, full stop. Okay, children. So this how you have to do the remaining options. Okay, see here. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. This is a sentence, but it is not in proper way. Okay, you have to write the capital letter and ends with full stops. Wow, that was a thrilling ride. That was a thrilling ride. See, here also this is a sentence, but they did not start with capital letter and end with full stops. So what we have to do? We have to rewrite the sentence using capital letters and full stops. Okay. Okay, children, and see the next one. Describe each picture given below in 2 sentences. You can use the words in the box. So here, see the picture here. Yes, see the picture. Can you tell me what this boy is doing? Yes, he sits in chair and one table is in front of him, and in front of him, yes, there is a keyboard and computer, and he is playing on computer, right? So what we have to do? By using this keywords, we have to make 2 sentences. Okay, children, by using this keywords, what are they? Father, boy, talking, playing, game, mobile, friend, computer. Okay, by using these keywords, we have to make 2 sentences. Okay, so shall we write this? Yes? Okay, see here. That boy, THAT, that, BOY, boy, that boy, is playing, 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 a game, 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 on, computer, COMPUTER, computer. Okay, and he, IS, MY, my, friend, FRIEND, friend. See, by using these keywords, I make 2 sentences. Okay, children. So, see the second picture. What you will see here? Yes, a boy is talking in mobile, right? To whom he is talking? Maybe with his friend, or here the option they given father also. Okay, so we can think that he is talking with his friend or his father. Okay, so the first sentence we can make like this: my friend is talking with his friend on his latest mobile. Okay, with his latest mobile, or else I also use it to talk with my father, or else he is using to talk with his father. We can make anyhow. Okay, so do this work in your home by yourselves. Okay, children, and see here. Match the words with their meanings. Okay, so we have to match the words by their meanings. Okay, tweet. What is the correct meaning of tweet? Stuff, flag, blog. See here. Matter, articles, activities. Message, a regularly updated web page. Mark for attention. So we have to write the correct options. Okay, tweet. What is the meaning of tweet? Tweet means message. So here comes B. And stuff. Stuff means, yes children, stuff means matter, articles, activities. So here comes A. Flag. Flag means mark for attention. Okay. Blog, a regularly update website. Okay. So see the G1. Write the rhyming words. So here we have to write the rhyming word. These rhyming words we will get it from the poem. So when you get the poem, you can make this rhyming words easily. Okay children? So first learn the poem perfectly and do this rhyming words. Okay? See here. Tweet, blog, Instagram, post, good, better. Okay, so see the first one. I'll do the first one. Tweet. Yes, I'm getting that sweet. We see this from the poem itself. Okay, sweet. SWEET, sweet. Post, most, MOST, most. Okay, blog. Yes, blog, good. Instagram, better. So you have to do the remaining words. Okay, blog, log, good, should. Instagram, spam, better, letter. Okay children, and write the names of the following icons. By seeing these icons, you have to find what is this. Okay children, so can you guess what is this? This symbol is, yes, this symbol indicates that this is a Facebook. Okay, so we have to write FACE, face, BOOK, book, Facebook. Okay, and what is the second symbol indicates? Yes, by seeing this symbol we can tell that this is a Twitter. Okay, this is the Twitter blog. Okay, and what is this? Yes, this is Instagram. By seeing these icons we have to guess what is this. Okay, this is Instagram. And what is this? Yes, by seeing this we already know this very well, right? This is a Google. And this one? Yes, this is called YouTube, your favorite channel. Is it? Yes, you have to write this with the spellings. Okay children? Okay children, we have did this. Little bit we have did this, but the remaining work you have to do it in your homes. Okay, so do this practice book and read one or twice. Okay children, and discuss with your friends or with your parents. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Till then, have a happy home learning and be healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.